Okay, treasure found. This big open field. Brought my camera today. Just in about 25 yards, I've already found about $2. So, nobody's been here. So the wind is howling out here. 12:45 signal. And he came up with a clad dime. I really can't see the screen on this camera, but it's a clad dime. Well, we had 12:45 signal, and we have another clad dime. And we have another clad quarter. Keep looking. Well, I had 11:37 signal, and this is a wheat cent. You can't tell it, but that's what it is. Too dirty to get a date on it. We'll keep looking. There, 12:46. Well, we had our 12:47. We popped out a quarter, a clad quarter. It was standing on the edge. It straight up and down. Put that E-track picture right up. 12:47 again. And we found another quarter standing on the edge. Okay, sports fans, we had a high pitch 12:44, and we have a clad shout. But the money is money. Sometimes it pays to double check the hole. I got a quarter single after I dug up that diamond. And a clad quarter. So there's 35 cents in that hole, so we'll keep looking. We had 12:44. And a clad dime. We'll keep hunting. About a foot over, I got another 12:44 signal, and look at this, the dime is on the edge. E-track is picking the on-edge coins today. Okay, sports fans, I was getting a odd number, 2740, but it was a high pitch, so I dug it up and I found a quarter, a dime, and a penny together. Well, I just popped out another quarter. A few inches over, I found this thing. What is it? I don't know if that's some kind of old big ass bracelet or what that thing is. Maybe one of you all know. Later. Hey, 11:40 signal. And what I found was right next to where I found the Bridgeport token. I found the second Bridgeport token. It's reading 1140 on the E-track. I've never found two bus tokens together. In the same hole, a few inches over, another Bridgeport token. Somebody must be walking home. 3 bus tokens. Cool. Well, I found the coins, Bill. 2 quarters. Again, it's 12:47. Okay, fans, I'm at home. Had to cut my filming short at the park because the battery was going down. But anyway, these are my finds for today. Quarters, I got about 23 quarters. Got about 35 dimes. I got these 3 tokens. They're from Bridgeport, Connecticut, and a handful of little pennies. I did find one little inexpensive ring. And I found this bracelet. At least I think it's a bracelet. It's hinged right here, but it's twisted up and bent. But I think that's a big bracelet of some kind. But at any rate, happy hunting, everyone.